y'all, it is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all, today I got on my little Santa hat. So today y'all, I'm gonna be making hot chocolate bomb, and we're gonna get right into it. So y'all, these molds is gonna make your life easier when making the hot chocolate molds. But y'all, I just broke it. Oh no! Like, why would I do that? I broke it. So making 3 at a time, I can only make 2 at a time now because I broke the thingy. We still gonna use the other part because we ain't letting it go to waste. I had got these from Amazon and they had took a while to ship. But I'm gonna see if I can find one, and I'm gonna link it in my Amazon storefront and y'all can go check it out. So first thing you need is these molds. If you want to make it all cutesy, you can get some cupcake liners. I'm gonna do the double boiler method. So I got water in there, and then I'm gonna put the bowl there, and then I'm just gonna add that over there. And I'm gonna do it with almond bark. All right, once the chocolate melts, then we'll go on to the next step. I am putting that in there. So now get the liner, put it in there. Alright. Oops. Alright, so you're gonna push. This one don't have enough. Alright, so I put more chocolate back, and then I had the wrong side on. But I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 15 minutes, and then while that's in the fridge, I'm gonna give my daughter a bath. But I don't know what's going on, honey. Like, I'm just messing up the hot chocolate bombs this year. I don't understand what's going on. But I'm about to go be a multitasker, so while it's in the fridge, I'm gonna bathe my daughter, and then hopefully these come out right, because I don't know what's going on today. So I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
Alright, let's see if I did this thing right. Alright, y'all. It's looking right. It's looking right. Let me be gentle. Alright, so that bottom piece going right there. Alright, so this is how it's supposed to look. So the microwave should be going off now. I'ma show y'all. 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 So I'm gonna put some hot cocoa in here. Okay, then I'm gonna put my peppermint in here. Cause I like mint hot chocolate. Then I'm gonna get my marshmallows. Put them in here. Alright. Then you're gonna take the other piece, and you know, there's this cop that lives over here, and he turns his siren on every time when he's leaving, because ain't nothing going on over here. Like, why you gotta do that? You just causing more traffic. Okay, so now it's just gonna glue like that, and voila! This is how it look, y'all. So now I am gonna warm up some milk, and then I'm gonna show y'all how pretty it looks. So that's how you make it. So hold on. Alright, y'all. About to drink my hot chocolate from Santa's Helper. I had to let this cool off because I'm not trying to burn my tongue. But let me try it. It's still hot. Oh, this tastes so good. Oh, that mint in there, the bomb. Oh, this is so good, y'all. This is so good. Y'all better go make you some. So yeah, this is pretty much how you make hot chocolate bombs. This is how you make hot chocolate bombs, and I'm gonna end this video here. I want to thank you guys again for watching, and maybe I'll make more of these and do like maybe like a chit chat vlog before Vlogmas is over. Y'all, Vlogmas is almost over. Vlogmas is almost over. But if I've been consistent this far, I should have no problems growing with YouTube, because this was my sign to be like, if you can do Vlogmas, you can do YouTube. You can be consistent with YouTube, because Vlogmas is no joke, okay? But I'm gonna end this video out here, guys. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen, and then I'm gonna take my own shower, have my own me time. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and comment down below, do you like hot chocolate? And if you do like hot chocolate, what's your favorite flavor? But I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. I'm going to close this video out, and I will see y'all next time. Peace out.